Dear Human. The human does not know the truth about his spirit and being. He does not know the future that he will face, and this is why the human being was not able to put permanent legislations and laws to fit every time and place. But the Almighty Creator is the all-knowing. He is the fully aware of the creation of humans. He is the all-knowing of what happened in the past, what happens in the present, and what will happen in the future. This is why no human can bring a permanent flexible sharia, or legislations, that would fit every time and place, unless this human is a messenger from his Lord. Is it enough for us that our Islamic sharia has ruled different cultures, in different countries, and at different times for hundreds of years? There has been no problem without a solution in this honorable sharia. Now, at our modern time, the time of quick developments and outstanding innovations, this meaning is confirmed clearly. Our Sharia proclaimed herself even more in our time, despite the weakness of her people, because Islam conforms to the requirements and needs. Islam can develop without any decay over the centuries. Islam keeps its complete strength of life and flexibility. Islam is the religion that gave the world the most established and affirmed legislations. The Sharia of Islam surpasses any other legislation on the face of the earth. Make these words a starting point. Keep looking. You will arrive through your nature, heart, and mind to God, the perceiver, the initiator, the one and the creator of everything, because you are looking for the religion that would lead and introduce you to Him.